For more detailed videos, subscribe to Cisco Coppage LLC.com. This tutorial is designed to teach you how to conduct a serial number search within GCSS Army. Before we get into the lesson, there are some key points that need to be discussed. The first key point is that the serial number can be researched within the system. This can be beneficial if an item is found during an inventory that does not belong to the unit that's conducting the physical inventory, like the cyclic or the sensitive items for that month. The unit can research to see what UIC owns that piece of equipment. The second key point is that this option is similar to the PBIS serial number search that can be found in LIW. It will provide the unit information about the equipment researched. The third key point is that GCSS Army is driven by transaction codes. This is different from PBIS. The transaction code IQ09 can be used to display serial numbers and equipment record numbers. From the Unit Supply menu, we select Component Management, and then we're going to click on the transaction code IQ09, display serial/equipment number. And within IQ09, there are different ways that you can search for an item. You can search by the equipment record number. You can search by a description of that item. You can type in the NIN in the material column. You can search by the serial number, or you can search by the unique item identifier. In this example, we're going to search by the serial number. So we're going to type the serial number in, and then we can hit the execute icon. And now we're looking at a list of all the pieces of equipment with the serial number 456987 that's located within GCSS Army. So we're going to select or highlight the one that we found in this example. So we see the equipment record number in the first column. The storage location column, that's the sub-HIN receipt where that equipment is located on. We see the NIN of that item in the material column, and of course the serial number, the admin number that's associated with it. And if you look in the main work center column, that's where you can find the UIC that owns that piece of equipment. So for example, if you were doing an inventory and you found this piece of equipment during your layout, then you can get in contact with the unit so you can give them their piece of equipment back. So IQ09 can be used as a serial number search. It can also display the equipment record number as well. I hope you found this video tutorial to be helpful.